Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the word gunfire. It's a term that evokes powerful imagery. Let's dive in. Meaning. Gunfire is a noun that describes the sound, shots, or the act of discharging firearms, such as guns or rifles. It's often associated with combat, law enforcement, or shooting events. Pronunciation. Pronounce gunfire as ʻɡʌnʻfaɪər, with the emphasis on the first syllable, gun. Use in a sentence. 1. The gunfire could be heard in the distance as the soldiers engaged in battle. 2. The police responded to reports of gunfire in the neighborhood. Synonyms. You can use words like gunshots, firing, shooting, or weapon discharges to convey similar meanings. Conclusion. That concludes our insight into the word gunfire. It's a term that describes the sound and action of firing firearms. Whether in a military context or related to law enforcement, gunfire is a significant element of various real-life and fictional scenarios. Thanks for joining us, and may we strive for a world where gunfire is a rarity, not a norm.